Welcome to the new video. Today we introduce LeGrow, create your own desktop garden. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new product videos. LeGrow 2021 is a modular designed planter system. With every single LeGrow planter, a fun and functioning indoor garden can be built. Simply place different modules together for different uses. There are LED grow lamps, self-watering trays, specially made humidifiers, and other blocks in the LeGrow 2021 Garden Pack. Build your indoor garden as easy as playing with Lego, fun and creative. Product link in the description if you need it. LeGrow 2021 makes building an indoor garden easy. As you place each piece, they connect together and your indoor garden comes to life. The system includes watering components, humidifiers, and lights. You won't need to worry about frequent watering and adequate sunlight for your plants. LeGrow 2021 includes everything you need for a thriving indoor garden wherever you choose to put it. Product link in the description if you need it. Taking care of multiple plants can be a real hassle for busy people. Plants require careful watering for proper growth, and it's a task that is easily overlooked. LeGrow 2021 has an automatic watering system so that you don't need to water the plants every day. Even if you leave for a trip, LeGrow 2021 will keep your plants happy and healthy while you're away. Watering LeGrow 2021 garden is super easy. Simply pour water into the self-watering tray. It will distribute it to all the plants evenly. Therefore, you don't need to water the plants one by one, and you won't water too much at once. You can save both time and water with a LeGrow 2021 indoor garden. LeGrow 2021 developed a self-watering tray for its indoor garden system. The patented water pipe structure ensures that all the planters are connected and the plants can receive the water equally, while the roots are ventilated to encourage healthy growth. The water level is visible so that you'll know when to water again. Keeping plants alive and flourishing is difficult when growing indoors due to a lack of sunlight. To overcome this, an LED grow light is essential for adequate light. The LeGrow 2021 LED grow light will turn on when you switch it on and turn it off 12 hours later automatically. This sets the autonomous lighting system, which will then automatically repeat the process daily to ensure proper lighting for your garden. LeGrow 2021 takes care of it for you. Some plants need higher humidity to thrive. The humidifier can help you build an environment that is conducive to proper humidity so you can grow your plants better. If you have ever visited a tropical garden or climates where plants thrive, you probably noticed the high level of humidity in the atmosphere. While watering plants is important, it is also essential to maintain consistent humidity. LeGrow 2021 adds a 360 degrees diffusing mist humidifier as a solution. You can connect your phone with the LeGrow 2021 Bluetooth speaker and enjoy music at home, playing some peaceful natural sounds and watch your lovely garden grow. LeGrow 2021 creates a calm and relaxing home garden. With LeGrow 2021 you can grow all the kitchen herbs you need and keep the harvest season going all winter long to flavor your favorite dishes and take your cooking to the next delicious level. For people who spend a lot of time indoors, healthy air quality should be a top priority. Some plants can remove pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, and carbon monoxide. With all these plants, your indoor air gets purified and you can breathe clean, fresh air. Thank you, my viewers, for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new product videos. Drop your valuable comment in the comment box below. Product link in the description if you need it.